Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to pixelate a picture in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open up your picture, and then once you're doing that, just double click this lock button right here to unlock our layer. Now after that, duplicate this layer. And then once you're doing that, go to filter and then go to other and then select the high pass. Now change it for about 1 pixels and then click OK. Now change that from normal to linear light. Now as you can see, it makes some changes to our original photo. Now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this one for about 4 copies. Now after doing that, press the shift on your keyboard and then select these 4 layers right here. And then right click to your mouse and then merge these layers. Now after that, change that from normal to linear light, and then that's it everyone. This is the before and this is the after. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.